Hello friends, welcome to Prodhat channel. In today's video, we will explain about best shampoo and conditioner for women's hair loss. Hair loss can be quite a problem, especially in women. Normal hair fall rate that is acceptable is nearly 50 strands per day. When it increases more than that, then it's time for you to take action. Before buying, there are few things to consider. Let us understand them one after the other. First of all, let us know what are types of products that are available. Hair fall control shampoo, hair fall control and regrowth shampoo. Let us jump into the features and factors that needs to be considered before buying the products without any delay. The first feature to consider is combination. Normally, anti-hair fall shampoo use can dry the hair because of the intensive chemicals mixed with them. It does not matter whether it is a natural or artificial chemical, because both can drive the hair because of the treatment. To have soft and silky hair, the best option is to apply a conditioner after using a hair fall shampoo. Sometimes, they might not be suitable because using one brand of shampoo and combining it with another brand conditioner might be effective for normal people. To avoid confusion, it is always a good idea to choose a model as a combined pack or the one that comes with two-in-one solution. The next feature to consider is ingredients. When you choose one shampoo with a conditioner, the first thing you need to note is the ingredients present within them. Purchasing a shampoo that comes with natural ingredients like onion oil and others might be a good option because they will enrich your hair and make it feel more organic. The succeeding feature to consider in this list is hair type. There are a variety of hair types available in the market. Among them, some of the popular types included dry, oily, and normal hair. Some of the shampoos are designed to ensure these hair types are supported and altered to normal consistency. The shampoo you are selecting is for both the scalp and the hair, while the conditioner you are selecting is only for your hair. If you have curly hair, make sure that the conditioner is more powerful to resolve the nutritious shampoo issue. The personal structure of your hair and its strength can be resolved only through an effective shampoo, and the conditioner can support it but cannot alter it individually. The next on-hand feature in this list is brand. While there are multiple brands available in the market, only 30% are approved by the ISO and FDA. Perfect brand will have the ability to meet up the customer expectation in terms of packaging, quality, efficiency, and budget. A brand will provide you with a warranty that will not be available in any other natural products or the Vedic products in the market. After knowing about all the features and factors that need to be considered before purchasing this product, let's now jump into the things that need to be avoided in these specific products. The first thing that must be avoided here is parabene. Parabene is added to the shampoo to act as a preservative. They do not just weaken or break your hair, but might increase hair loss. The second thing that must be avoided here is silicone. Silicone is also a chemical added to improve the look of the hair, but they are not good when used in huge amounts. They might make the hair feel heavy. The third thing that must be avoided here is sulfate. Sulfates are responsible for improving the foam content of the hair. But when added in excess, they can cause irritation and damage. We have selected the top 4 products that are best and available in the current Indian market based on the above listed factors. The first and foremost product on the list is the Wow Skin Science Onion Black Seed All Ultimate Hair Care Kit. Shampoo plus hair conditioner plus hair oil, 800 milliliters. The key ingredients of this product are red onion black seed. The variations that are available in this product is vitamin B6 and natural oils. The features of this particular product are: this product allows hair growth. It improves conditioning with its softening agents. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The following second product in our suggestion list is the Herbal Essences Bio Renew Argan Oil of Morocco Shampoo. 400 ml with Herbal Essences Bio Renew Argan Oil of Morocco Conditioner. 400 ml. The key ingredients of this product are Bio Renew Argan Oil. The variations that are available in this product is antioxidants. The features of this particular product are: this product softens the hair and comes with a shampoo. Also reduces hair damage. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The forthcoming product in the list is Mamaearth Anti-Hair Fall Spa Range with Onion Hair Oil plus Onion Shampoo plus Onion Conditioner for hair fall control. The key ingredients of this product are onion oil extract. The variations that are available in this product: Redensil and plant keratin. The features of this particular product are: the conditioner and shampoo combine for an effective solution. Improves growth and reduces hair fall. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The final product in our bucket is Pantene 2-in-1 Anti-Hair Fall Shampoo Plus Conditioner, 180 milliliters. The key ingredients of this product are natural oils. The features of this particular product are: the active keratins present in this shampoo improve hair growth. This shampoo also reduces hair fall to a certain extent. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. We have selected the top 3 products that are best and available in the current global market based on the above listed factors. The first and foremost product on the list is Premium Hair Growth Conditioner with biotin, keratin, argan oil and anti-hair loss complex. Helps deep treatment of damaged, dry and colored hair for men and women. Sulfate-free, 8 ounces. The key ingredients of this product are biotin and keratin. The variations that are available in this product: argan oil. The features of this particular product are: this improves the growth of the hair, also softens the hair and reduces hair dryness. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The following second product in our suggestion list is the Pura Dior Apple Cider Vinegar Thin to Thick Set Shampoo Conditioner for Regrowth, Hair Loss, Clarifying, Detox. To buy 16 ounces, biotin, keratin, caffeine, castor oil, all hair type, men, women. Packaging varies. The key ingredients of this product are apple cider vinegar. The variations that are available in this product: keratin, caffeine and DHT blockers. The features of this particular product are: this shampoo reduces hair fall and improves hair growth, which softens the hair. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The forthcoming product in the list is Renpure Biotin and Collagen Thickening Conditioner 16 ounces. The key ingredients of this product are biotin and collagen. The variations that are available in this product: sodium chloride and vitamin B7. The features of this particular product are: it improves hair growth and also reduces hair damages and dryness. To know more details about the pricing details of these products, visit the link given in the video description box. To know more details, check out our blog. The link is provided in the video description box. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos.